Hello, my name is Sahar Mahirezai. As in the previous clip, I introduced myself in. I graduated with Master Science of Architecture, Project Management and Construction. Now I'm researching for the BIM. Here we learn about BIM process and softwares. Today we learn about what are the difference among BIM Manager, BIM Coordinator, BIM Modeler and BIM Engineer and BIM Draftsman. We know a lot about each responsibility, then we can choose which of role that we want to be. So we can start and raise our knowledge that our role needs.
1. BIM Manager, strategic level, project lead, primary point of contact for BIM delivery within a project, responsible to deliver a quality model on time. BIM Manager is the structure of the project. Specify the requirements BIM team for the project and specify a pathway. Define the modeling environment, what models will be made, how will they be referring, linked to each other, define server setup, write down communication protocols, what standards are used, how will information be stored and organized in the model, etc. In conjunction with the construction team, that BIM Manager will set up a time schedule for output delivers. BIM Manager is a host BIM team meetings. Coordinates between different BIM coordinators is the other responsibility of BIM Manager. 2. BIM Coordinator, technical level. The BIM Coordinator will set up the modeling environment to be able to deliver the outputs as specified by the BIM Manager. The BIM Coordinator will be the main point of contact for the modelers, software and technical questions, and will communicate with the engineers to gather input to ensure correct modeling of the design. BIM Coordinator is responsible for keeping the model clean, no unnecessary views, families, and etc. A model should be lean and thus clean. It's a database. BIM Coordinator will set up the output schedules different than work schedules which support modeling, set up the sheets, make them ready for draftsmen to annotate. BIM Coordinator delivers model as pre-time schedule and required quality to the BIM Manager. 3. BIM Modeler or BIM Technician, operational level. The terms BIM Modeler or BIM Technician are alike or identical and can be interchangeably. The BIM Modeler or Technician is the person who actually makes the model. BIM Modeler model the elements and add the requirement information for the elements. 4. BIM Engineer, operational level. The BIM Engineer brings input to the model. BIM Engineer has the technical knowledge. This knowledge needs to be brought into the model. It is the responsibility of the engineer to make this happen. BIM Engineer works in conjunction with the modeler and makes a schedule which supports the modeling. 5. BIM Draftsman, operational level. Yes, even in a BIM, we need draftsman. So, once modeling is done, we want those drawings. We still love those 2D sheets so much. If the BIM Manager, Coordinator, and Modeler did their job properly, elements are correct and have the right info. The draftsman will start annotating the views by adding dimensions, tags, legends, schedules, and etc. BIM Draftsman should be able to make tags, make 2D families, and anything else to make the perfect drawing with all the right information on it to guarantee a smooth running project.